In this work, we investigate the recognition of the affective states of a person performing an action with an object by processing the object sense data. We focus on sequence of basic actions, such as grasping and rotating, which are constituents of daily life interactions. We compute 10 handcrafted features on tactile and kinematics data collected with iCube and apply traditional machine learning techniques, which are support vector machine and multiple kernel learning, to classify 4 emotions and 2 vitality forms. The data used in these studies were collected in 2 data collection sessions. In both, the participants were asked to perform the same task, that is to take the iCube placed on the table, find the marker that is attached to one of its paths, and pass the cube to another person in a way that he or she can see the marker. For the purpose of the work, we use iCube, which is a 5 cm wireless hard cube. It collects tactile and kinematics data. The touch pressure data is not collected by the device. iCube is similar in terms of shape and weight to several objects that a person interacts with in daily life. Such similarities allow our participants to carry out natural interactions with the cube. In this short video, it can also be seen software that records and visualizes in real time the data received from the device. In the first study, our participants were asked to imagine to feel a specific emotion. In total, 237 trials were collected from 11 participants performing the task in angry, sad, excited or grateful manner. In this short extract, you can see a participant performing the same task for 2 times with 2 different emotions. The classifier accuracy is up to 82.7%. In the second study, participants performed the same task with a gentle and rude manner in 4 different settings. In the first setting, a participant was sitting in front of a confederate, and the participant was supposed to take the iCube and hand it to the confederate. In the second setting, a participant was sitting in front of a confederate. The participant was asked to grasp the iCube and put it onto the table in front of the confederate in a way that the marker is oriented towards the confederate. In the remaining 2 settings, the participants performed the same tasks while standing. In total, 1,135 trials by 10 participants were collected. The best performing model differentiated gentle actions from rude ones with an accuracy of 84.85%. In this work, we have shown that it is possible to recognize emotions and vitality forms during the daily life non-symbolic human-object interaction by using the object sense tactile and kinematics data. It was also demonstrated that people touch the same object differently when performing basic actions such as rotating or grasping with different affective states and attitudes.